Hello everyone, my name is Siva Prasad Bhandari. I am a chief editor at CurrencyHacked.com and I am a director of the Siva Digital Solution. Thanks everyone to watch this video, to listen to this audio. I'm really appreciate your time. And today is the 22 June 2019 Saturday. Before I'm going forward, I want to read it loud because it's so important that you understand the risks of the investing and everything. Never invest money that you can't afford to lose. Always do your own research before investing in cryptocurrency and other kind of shares. Cryptocurrency are subjected to high risks and high volatility. Just very small introduction about the CurrencyHack.com. CurrencyHacked is the next generation website where you can get the information about the business, finance, digital currency, physical money, and of course real money like USD, Euro, and the digital currency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple. Today is the very interesting day for us, for everyone who knows about the digital currency, because today only in one day the price of the Bitcoin it's skyrocketed by 12% to double digit from 9,500 to around 11,000. So it is really interesting point today, and because of the fact that a lots of the news have already come to the market, like Facebook are going to launch their own cryptocurrency called Libra, and uh, uh, Calibra wallet are going to manage everything. So it's this cryptocurrency are going to equivalent to the USD and Euro. So it's not like the Bitcoin, because Bitcoin price is the very volatile. It can go like a 12%, maybe 20% in a day, but it can lose by the same person in same day. So you have to understand about the risks and everything. And if you want to contact us currencyhack.com, you can send us an email on info@currencyhack.com. Also you can send me the email at siva@currencyhack.com. So let's move forward. Today of course we have a Bitcoin. Today Bitcoin is skyrocketed by 12%. So maybe more than that. And also you later the cryptocurrency mover tracker, cryptocurrency loss and profit tracker website, and the cryptocurrency market went back to the 326 billion, and tens of billion came to the market today, which is like I believe that lots of institutional investor are coming to the Bitcoin, because Bitcoin considered as a golden to invest the money, storage value. So that could be the one reason. And of course you're gonna hear about the news, what kind of news are in the market, and what is their impact in the market, and how we can be able to make a multi-million dollar without taking very little risks. I'm going to give you some idea about this one, which I've studying, but I want to give it to you, because there is no point if I alone make the multi-million. I want you to make the multi-million, and I'm on my way. And today's new, of course, I'm gonna uh, give you a little bit idea about the today's new on alternative cryptocurrency and world markets. So let's move forward again. Let's go to the another slides we have here. Yeah, this is the next alternative cryptocurrency that you might want to watch. Bitcoin, of course. Bitcoin was the king. Big Bitcoin is the king now, and Bitcoin will be the king, because this is the first cryptocurrency, and people have a belief in the Bitcoin. So I also believe that I have a belief in the Bitcoin, that it will be a king in the future. And we have a Binance coin. It's we have give you the trade reaction before I've also talked yesterday about the Binance coin, and today I want to talk you about the Binance. Binance is the um, cryptocurrency which was issued by the Binance cryptocurrency exchange, and the price of the Binance cryptocurrency having increased by the more than 9,000%, which is very good. And I believe that it's gonna go up because it has a very good fundamental news in the market. And the Tron also has some good fundamental news, like the Tron creator Tone creator are going to meet to the Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett is the world's really good investor. He's the richest investor in the world. So it can push the price of the Tron. So you can have a look in the Tron, and I would like to show you the price of the Bitcoin. Uh, and we have here coin market cap. This is the coin market cap, and coin market cap is the Bitcoin price tracker and the cryptocurrency tracker here. Today's only the Bitcoin price is skyrocketed 13.15%. Let's see one day's price. uh, Before few hour ago we can see that the price of the Bitcoin was 9,783, but now it's skyrocketed to the 11,000 122, and we don't know where it's going, how long it can go. But we can say that the price of the Bitcoin can go till 15,000, maybe more than that, but in the long term. So I'll give you the way how we can invest to the volatile market without very less risks. Maybe I can say that it's not that much risks, and you don't need to look into the chart every time. So that's the big reason that I'm going to tell you the investment strategy. So there is no point if you invest some money in the cryptocurrency, and you have to look every time, every second in the coinmarketcap.com. So it's really hard, and it can wake you up whole night. So let's talk about the big mover. Big mover is the Denta coin. Denta coin, it's Denta coin got a 26.67%, and Denta coin is the coin related to the dental service, I believe. And there is another cryptocurrency that it skyrocketed 68% inside chain. I'm not sure about the inside chain, but it's just now skyrocketed. So I can say that alternative coin are very volatile than the Bitcoin. Of course, Bitcoin is also the very volatile, because in one day the price of the Bitcoin already skyrocketed 13%, and which is a very big return on the investment. But there is also risks on the cryptocurrency. And Binance coin, I told you before, yesterday about the Binance coin, and Binance coin already skyrocketed from the 37 when we talked yesterday, and today is the $39. So it's like $2 in one coin, so which is very good investment. So guys, let's move to the another topic. So guys, if you want to follow us, if you want lots of other news about the cryptocurrency, about the shares market, business and finance, you can follow us on the Facebook, you can follow us on Twitter, and you can find us on Currency Hacked. If you want to find us on the LinkedIn, you can go to the search bottom of the LinkedIn, and you can type Currency Hack. If you want to find us in a Facebook, you can go to the facebook.com, and you can type a Currency Hacked, currency SCAKD, not HSCKED, but you have to type the CURRENCY and also you can find us on Twitter and the YouTube. If you want to find us on YouTube, you can type a Currency Hacked, and you're gonna get our YouTube channel and our videos. So let's talk about the old news what we have today. I know, so we have a news here. Fed Bullard and uh, Kaskar makes case for rate cost, and slowing growth momentum and the lack of the inflation pressure are fueling the case among Federal Reserve policymakers that a rate for that rate cut may be necessary this year in order to stimulate the economy. So it's all about the Fed Bank. So uh, one things I'd like to recommend you guys. Financial Times is very good news to learn about the business and finance. It has a very good interface in the website, as well as it has a very good option like work and career and everything. And we have here Wall Street Journal, and in Wall Street Journal there is a lots of topic like White House, Iran is tension, and Bitcoin is back above 10,000, and investors say that is this rally is different. And we can here I want to read out some line. Bitcoin rose over 10,000 USD for the first time in over a year, riding a new waves of optimism about the value and future of digital currency. So people are thinking about the digital currency, and they think that digital currency is the future. That's why they invest in a lots of money. It's very good, and I also believe in the technology. The old most popular cryptocurrency hit the milestone late Friday. By Saturday morning, it had already climbed above $11,000. According to a research site Coindex, Bitcoin has more than triple value um, from its low at the end of the 2018. So the price of the Bitcoin has already tripled from the low of the 2018. The biggest news in the sector this year has been the unveiling Libra, a cryptocurrency created by Facebook. In comparison, investors have been buying Bitcoin on the expectation that Libra is going to bring a digital currency to mainstream user, a goal that so far has eluded Bitcoin itself. Yeah, so it says that the price of the Bitcoin it's skyrocketed because of the this currency can go to the mainstream, and people are gonna know about the cryptocurrency digital currency, and the price of the cryptocurrency digital currency might be increased, and they might take a profit from it. So the more people know about the digital currency, the price of the currency are going up. So we have another line here. Smart money and institutions have certainly begun to come in, said John Patrick Mullin, a cryptocurrency investor and blockchain consultant in Hong Kong. He said he has owned Bitcoin since 2013 and about more in late March, just as price started rebounding. The digital currency turnaround this year has offered hope that the worst is over after last year's steep slump. When Bitcoin first crossed 10,000 in November 2017, it took just 18 days to hit its all-time high of nearly 20,000 before it came crashing down. The latest rebound has come with less hype and perhaps more hope that market is showing some sign of maturing. So it says that in 2017 the price of the cryptocurrency Bitcoin is skyrocketed within 18 days, and it went to the $20,000. So there are some reason to believe in Bitcoin now that there were last time Bitcoin was at 10,000, though I'm still not convinced that the price is sustainable, said John Sheridan, an assistant professor in finance at Villanova University, who published an academic paper in December analyzing whether Bitcoin was more than just a speculative asset. So it may be the speculative asset, and some other reason like Bitcoin has outperformed most traditional asset class this year, with investors seeking more institutional support for cryptocurrency and the blockchain technology that underpin them. Larger investor and corporation now play a greater role too. To exemplify Facebook plan, JP Morgan Chase is developing JP Coin, even though its chief executive James Dimon once called Bitcoin a fraud. A comment he later said he regretted. Fidelity Investor has developed a custody service to store Bitcoin. Online trading platforms such as eTrade, Financial Corporation, and Robinhood also offer cryptocurrency trader to clients. So this is the positive news in the market, and it can also skyrocket the price of the Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. And earlier this week, Ripple Incorporation, a startup behind the XRP cryptocurrency. XRP means Ripple cryptocurrency, agreed invest up to 50 million in US listed money transfer company MoneyGram Incorporation. And also there is some news like It says that it is difficult to find data that shows how much cryptocurrency trading is done by individual relatively to professional investor, but there are more institutional investor and hedge funds trading Bitcoin now than in 2017. They are also among the prominent player trading future, which is in the US have seen rising trading volume on CME Group. So it says that there is a more institutional professional investor are coming to the cryptocurrency market, and we can expect that the price of the cryptocurrency are gonna go up. So you are seeing how the market structure is completely different now from back then, said Tony Zhu, founder partner of NGC venture, a blockchain investor fund in Singapore. The market is more mature than 18 months ago. So it said that the market is more mature than 18 months ago. Despite now institutional interest trading volume in Bitcoin and the other cryptocurrency are far below their peak in 2017, according to figure from the data provider Bitcoinity. Back then, Bitcoin surge was driven by individual investor and overwhelmingly speculative sentiment, said Matt analyst at eToro, a brokerage firm. This time it seems much more reflective of true value. So Matt Green Ispan is the senior senior analyst in the eToro, and he said that this point that now it's in the stable condition. The industry is still in plague by hack, security leaks, and fraud. One of the largest exchange, Bitfinex, tried to cover up loss of 850 million in customer funds. The largest Canadian exchange, Quadriget CX, collapse as its founder was using customer fund for the personal expenses. So there's been a lot of positive trends and sign, but there are still many negative issues which continue to plague you. The industry said Mr. Mullen, the Hong Kong cryptocurrency investor. So this is the very good news for the digital currency. So the price of the Bitcoin might go up to $15,000, maybe $20,000. So thank you guys for listening this podcast for today, and I'll come tomorrow to give you the very good news and everything about the cryptocurrency market and about the finance. Thank you very much, guys. And in final, don't forget to follow us on the Twitter. Don't forget to watch our video in YouTube, and don't forget to like in our Facebook to get the latest videos, article, and everything about the finance, business, digital currency, and the physical currency. Thank you, guys.